Why do the rich keep getting richer while others struggle to break free from financial stress? It's not about luck or timing. It's about how they approach money and the mindset they've built around it. The wealthy have a unique way of thinking that helps them grow their wealth consistently, while most remain stuck in the same cycle. In this video, I'll uncover the hidden habits and beliefs that set the rich apart and show you how you can adopt these strategies to start building your own financial future. Welcome to Sage Investing, bringing you timeless investing wisdom. If you're looking to improve your investing knowledge, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this useful. The rich create multiple streams of income, while many poor people rely on just one, often their job. If they take a sick day or vacation, the paycheck stops. Schools rarely teach the importance of building multiple income sources, but the wealthy know it's essential for financial stability. In fact, the average millionaire has 7 sources of income, ranging from side businesses to royalties, rental income, interest, or stock dividends. They're constantly looking for new opportunities, ready to seize them when they arise. They reinvest the money generated from these streams to create more wealth, fueling compounding returns. By putting profits back into investments or businesses, they accelerate growth and build a diversified portfolio that continues to generate income without active effort. The result is exponential wealth growth that becomes increasingly powerful as time goes on. The rich understand the money game. On the flip side, many poor people stay stuck in their situation because they don't take the time to learn how money works or how to use it to improve their lives. For some, the idea of finances can be overwhelming or even intimidating, and they shy away from learning more because they're afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is, almost everyone has access to resources, books, online courses, YouTube videos, that can teach them how to manage and grow their money. The difference is, many don't bother to take advantage of this knowledge. It's common for people with a poor mindset to say things like, "I don't care about money." But whether they realize it or not, money has a major impact on every aspect of life. Imagine for a moment what your life would be like if you had unlimited financial resources. Would it change your lifestyle, your choices, your stress levels? Most people think about money far more than they realize, so why not learn how to use it to your advantage? The rich prioritize investing. Many poor people stay stuck because they don't focus on investing or take the necessary steps to grow their money. It's easy to make excuses, but the truth is, anyone can invest and get rich. Often, those who say they can't are either afraid of failure or unwilling to put in the effort. Wealthy individuals understand that investing is crucial for long-term wealth. Instead of spending money on immediate desires, they focus on generating passive income through investments like stocks, real estate, or businesses. While it may take time to accumulate enough, these investments provide income that covers expenses, ensuring financial growth. In contrast, poor people often buy things they can't afford and rely on hard work to make payments, without leveraging investments to create additional income streams. The key difference is that the rich use smart investments to fund their lifestyle and grow their wealth, while the poor rely solely on their labor. The rich know how to use debt to their advantage. For most people, debt has a bad reputation. It's seen as something that drains money each month and leads to financial struggles. It's easy to fall into the trap of using debt for things you can't really afford, like buying a new car just by signing a loan and driving it off the lot. The problem is, for most purchases, if you can't afford to pay for something in cash, it's probably beyond your means. Many people with a poor mindset view credit as a shortcut to getting what they want, without having to save up or earn the money first. They think of debt as a money drain. The wealthy, on the other hand, see debt as a tool. They use it strategically, often to buy income-generating assets that put money back in their pockets. For example, they might take out a mortgage to buy a rental property that earns passive income, or use a low-interest loan to purchase a car, knowing they can use the loaned money to invest or grow a business. Rich people don't shy away from debt. They use it wisely, either to build wealth or to make purchases they can truly afford. The rich focus on building strong networks. They know that success is not just about what you know, but who you know. Wealthy individuals surround themselves with driven, like-minded people who offer valuable insights, opportunities, and support. They actively seek mentors, attend events, and build relationships that can help grow their businesses or investments. These connections often lead to collaborations and exclusive opportunities. In contrast, many poor people fail to leverage their networks, limiting their exposure to new ideas and chances for growth. By nurturing their connections, the rich open doors to wealth-building ventures. In the end, the difference between the rich and poor lies in mindset and strategy. The wealthy invest, leverage debt, and build multiple income streams to grow their wealth. In contrast, many poor people rely solely on their job and miss opportunities to build financial freedom. By adopting the rich's approach, anyone can start creating a path to lasting wealth.